Hello. This is a review of the Speechelo software. As you can see, I have the two upgrades. Speechelo is a great software. I'm going to give you a brief summary of the files that I created with it. It's more like 1 minute. It's going to show you can create files out of ebooks and text, so you can post your audio. You can create products, audio products, video, audio products. So, okay, I'm going to show you a brief summary of what I created with Speechelo right now.
Chapter 1 Introduction. Before you do anything else, relax, as this is going to be a short course about an hour or more, but trust me, it's worth it. Also, this ebook would be converted to a video course, and if you're watching the video course right now, all the links to the websites and free bonuses would be displayed in the resources section in your video course membership. Hello, and welcome to the Broker Guru. You came at the right spot and you won't regret it. Here's what you don't need: a website, experience, and a lot of money. This is an ingenious secret method that I learned and now makes me a great amount of money online, and it can for you too. In this course, you'll learn how to market a service and profit from it without having expertise or knowledge of the service you offer. However, it helps to familiarize yourself with the service you want to market so that you can better explain it to your customer. The only requirements needed for this course is a laptop or desktop computer, internet connection, ability to understand simple instructions, know how to use free software such as MS Word, have an optional free email account, etc. I would explain to you more in the next chapter.
Alright, as you can see, this is what Speechelo can get you. It can make you this type of audio. So think about that. Also, you can translate when you get the upgrade of Speechelo Worldwide. Speechelo Worldwide upgrade translate, and you import YouTube caption. You're gonna see what it's all about when you get the Speechelo. So that's about it. If you're thinking about getting Speechelo, don't hesitate. You can do a lot with the software. I got it, and as you can see, it's a very good software. All right, that's about it. Thanks. Bye.